Exercise 12.1. Question number 5.
1. Your city is not visible.
Wait a second. Screen is here. Screen is here or not?
They are visible.
Okay, yes. Exercise 12.1. Question number 5th. Okay. Find the value of m for which 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to power minus 1 is equal to 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2. Okay. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. A raised to power n divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n.
Your voice is not coming.
My voice is clear or not?
Sir, you are muted.
Muted. 1 second. Hello? My voice is coming?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to power minus 1 is equal to 5 raised to power 2. Okay. Now a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n.
The page screen is not visible. Yes, sir. YouTube screen is visible, sir.
1 second. Now screen is here.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now 5 raised to power m minus 1 is equal to 5 raised to power 2. Minus plus 5 raised to power m plus 2. 5 raised to power 2. Okay. If base are same, then exponent will be equal. If base are same, then exponent will be equal. If base are same, then exponent will be equal. If base are same, then exponent will be equal. Then it will be equal. Okay. Now m plus 2 is equal to 2. Sorry, 1 है. This is 1. Minus plus, this is 1. Okay. M plus 1. 5 raised to power m plus 1 is equal to 5 raised to power 2. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Now if base are equal, then exponent will be equal. M plus 1 is equal to 2. M is equal to 2 minus 1. M is equal to 1. Do it. Have you done?
Yes.
No, sir.
Do it. Do it fast. Any doubt, any problem? Next question.
Sir, mensuration का बताना है.
Yes.
Mensuration.
Which question?
Sir, 11.25.
11.2 question number 5.
Yes, sir.
The diagonal of rhombus are the diagonal of rhombus are 7.5 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Find its area. Exercise 11.2. Question number 5. The rhombus ABCD. ठीक है, and diagonal is 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. And 12 centimeter. Area of rhombus ABCD.
Hello, sir. I have done.
Yes. Area of rhombus ABCD. What is the formula? 1 by 2 D1 into
Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2.
D2.
Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2.
Very good. 1 by 2. What is D1? 7.5. What is D2? 12 centimeter square.
Sir, it's 12 centimeter.
Centimeter square. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Okay. 6 5s are 30. 3 6 7s are 42, 42 or 3 45 centimeter square. It becomes 45 centimeter square. Do it. Next question. Do you want to ask? Any more question? Exercise 9.3. Question number 3. Third part. Minus 10 by 3 PQ cube. Minus 10 by 3 PQ cube. Multiplied 6 by 5 PQ cube. PQ cube. Okay. Now multiplied by numerical values. Minus 10 by 5 multiplied 6 by 5. Okay, P into P cube multiplied cube into q, like terms. Q and q are like terms. Okay,
Yes, sir.
So that is minus 10 by 3.
3 here 3, this is 3, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, minus 4, P into P cube, P into P cube,
Sir, P power 4.
P raised to power 4,
C power is less than power 4.
cube into Q,
Q
P
is
power
for
4.
Q raised to power 4, Q raised to power 4. Do it fast. Do it fast. Exercise 14.4. Question number 4. Okay. X plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Find and correct the error in the following mathematical statement. Okay. Left hand side. X plus 2x plus 3x. X plus 2x plus 3x, that is 6x.
Sir, 6.
That is not equal to 5x. That is right hand side. Okay. So correct statement of correct solution. So correct solution of x plus 2x plus 3x is 6x. Do it fast. Do it fast. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in 11.2, 7th question.
11.2 7th question. First of all, we will find out the area of one rhombus shaped tile. Area of question number 7th. That is rhombus shaped tile. A, B, C, D. Diagonal is here. Okay. And 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Area of one rhombus shaped tile. One rhombus shaped tile. What is the formula? 1 by 2 d1 into d2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is d1? 30. d2 45
4.5.
centimeter square. 15 5s are 75. 15 5s are 75. 7 15 4s are 60 60 or 7 67 centimeter square. Area of 3000 tile. Area of 3000 tiles. What will you do? Area of 3000 tiles.
We will do
Area of 3000 rhombus shaped tiles.
it.
And 3000 into 675 centimeter square. 3000 into 675 centimeter square. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 7s are 21 21 or 1 22. 2 carry. 3 6s are 18 18 or 2 20. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Now area cost given. We have to find out the cost. Find the total cost of polishing the floor. If the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Cost of polishing the floor. Cost of polishing the floor. We will multiply it by 4. Okay. Cost of polishing the floor. Polishing the floor. Rupees 4 into this 2025 equal. Do it fast. Can you multiply it?
Yes.
Oh, this is meter square. This is centimeter square.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. First of all, we convert it to meter square. Okay. To convert the centimeter square into meter square, what will you do? Please tell me. Hello.
Yes.
To convert the centimeter square into meter square, what will you do?
So 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meters, so we will divide.
1 meter is equal to
100 centimeter.
okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll divide it. Meter square. This is cancel out. It becomes 202.5 meter square. 202.5 meter square. Now cost of polishing the floor, multiplied it. 202 to 102.5. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 or 2 10. And 4 2s are 8. Okay. Rupees 810. Rupees 810. Any doubt? Any problem?
No, sir.
Jyoti diagrams. Question number 10. Jyoti diagram. Jyoti's diagram. Okay.
समय कमी
Jyoti diagram. This time. Okay. This one, it is 15 centimeter. Okay. This is 15, 15 and 30. And it is 30 centimeters. Now we have to find out the area of this diagram. Okay, these are parallel lines. These are parallel lines. Okay. And the distance between them is this is 7.5. 15 divided by 2. 7 by 2. This is 15 by 2. This is 15 by 2. Okay. This is 15 by 2. It is 30 centimeter. Y2, this and this are equal. Some area, it is trapezium. Now we will find out the area of single trapezium and multiply it by 2. अगर हम एक ट्रेपेजियम का निकाल लेते हैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं तो कंप्लीट का आएगा क्या आएगा? हेलो if we will find out the
Yes, sir.
area of one trapezium and multiply it by 2, area of whole diagram will be find out. 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides
Into B
into distance between them. 2 into 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides 15 plus 30. 15 plus 30. And height is
into 1.5.
15 by 2. This height is 15 by 2.
Yes, sir.
15 by 2. Okay. Two into 1 by 2 into 45 into 15 by 2. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Cancel out. 15 5s are 75, 6. 15 4s are 60, 60 or 667 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 337 centimeter square. 337.5 centimeter square. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Sir.
What is the answer?